Hello guys, my name is Krish from GetGoogles, and in this video I would like to show you how to install LE95 ROM, which is based on Note 5 and S7. So before going to try this method, make sure that your device is rooted and also install the custom recovery. And also download the download files which are available in the description down below and transfer them into your phone's SD card. Guys, also remember that this method is only works on the Galaxy S4 i9500, so please don't try this on other variants. And I am not responsible if your device is bricked, so make sure that you do it on your own risk. If it is working fine for me, it doesn't mean that it is going to work fine for others. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. After transferring the files into your phone's SD card, hit volume up, power button and home button at the same time. And release the keys once you see the Samsung logo. And this will take you to the recovery mode. Now here, select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Select the menu by touching or with the power key. Select it and select Clean to install a new ROM. Yes. And once it's done, go back and select Wipe Cache Partition. Select it and yes, wipe cache. And then again go back. Go to Mounts and Storage. Here select Format System. Yes, Format. And now again go back and go to Advanced and select Wipe Dalvik Cache and click on Yes. And once it's done, go back and now you need to select the ROM that you have transferred into your SD card. So select Install Zip and navigate the file where you have transferred it. So I have transferred it into the SD card, so I'm going to select SD card 1, select it and navigate the downloaded file. So you have downloaded two files. First select the file which is LE95 N5 port v6.0, not the OTA one. So select the first one and click on Yes. And guys, also make sure that your charging is above 80%. And you can see it's installing the ROM. LE95, I guess we pronounce it like that. So you can select the themes that you want. Once you select it, click on Next, and you can also select the languages over here. Select Next and Next. You can select the full wipe or no full wipe. Select it, and here are some agreements. Click on Agree, and there is some changelog over here. Select it, and you can will configure your phone for use every okay. Keep it default, and you can select some different options over here. I would like to go with default ones. So Next, and click on Install Now. So as you can see, it's deleting the system and installing the new ROM. It takes few minutes, like I guess less than 5 minutes. So wait for it. So it's going to take some time, so let me skip the process and get back to you soon. So the process has been completed, and now select Next, and yeah, now it's time to reboot your system. Click on Next, and you can see your phone is rebooting. Welcome to Samsung Galaxy S4 GT i9500. So it's booting for the first time. It will take some time. You can see the sound. It's a new sound. Guys, I was waiting for more than 5 minutes and it's still not booting up. So let me again restart the phone by holding the power button. Give a long press on it. And it's turning on again. Yeah, now it's booting up. So guys, if your device is not booting, not starting after installing the ROM, just reboot the phone again. I just felt a vibration. I think we have completely booted up. So this is the welcome screen. Let me select the language, English. So guys, again it will take a few steps. So let me skip the process and I will get back to you soon. I also completed the setup and let's finish. So guys, this is the home screen and you can see the icons has been changed to Note 5. I'm actually shooting this video with using my Note 5, otherwise I have shown you the difference. It looks the way same. This is the app drawer and we have some search option here. You can search for the apps, and this is a calculator. Let me show you some quick applications. Let me open the camera. So this is the camera application. It's pretty much same like before. And the gallery, obviously we will get like Note 5. Yeah, it's same. And the dialer. So let me show you. Go to about device and you can see it's LE95 port, and it also has some S7 feature ROMs. So it is running based on Android Lollipop 5.1.1, and if you want the OTA update, you can go back to recovery mode and install the second file, that is the OTA update, and reboot your device, and that's all. So guys, again, if you have any questions, please tweet me over Twitter or comment in the YouTube. And again, if you want a quick reply, please tweet me on Twitter. You can also use the hashtag #GetGooglesKrish. If you also want to try some other ROMs on my channel, I have linked them in the description down below. You can go and try them. And thanks again for watching. I would like to see you guys in my next video. Stay awesome.